All right, guys, so we've run into a bunch of problems. So Canvas got rid of the conference feature, so actually we need to it's the same thing, but we're going to go a different route and we're going to try it out. And if it doesn't work, don't worry about it. I won't mark it as great or anything, but I just want to get to know you guys and see your face. So we're going to try it out, all right? So first click into my course. Then you're going to want to go to the video button. Click video, sign up for conference, and then you will click here to whatever time you want to log in. So maybe it's 8 o'clock, say open Microsoft Teams, and then you will click join now. Just make sure that your camera and your microphone are on, and that way I will be able to see you and hear you because ultimately that's what I want to do. I want to meet you guys, all right? So I'm excited to meet you, and I hope this works. If it doesn't, we're just gonna call it a day, and hopefully I can meet with you guys on Friday, okay? All right. I will see you in a little bit.